Yeah, it's going down. Everybody looking at me on the phone. Could drop me some videos. What's up with y'all? What's up with it? What's going on? What's going on in Triple E? In Dallas, wherever you from. Represent where you from, everybody. Huh? Where you from? Ooh. I got some breakfast. Ooh, I should get some breakfast, y'all. Gonna hook up some good breakfast, dog. School started back. School started back. Hey, school started back, everybody. Yep, school started back. Yeah, y'all, it's going down. School started back. Hey. Yeah. Do you hear me? Do you hear me, y'all? What's up with it? Yep. Yep. What's up with it? Oh, y'all. Yeah, appreciate everybody coming, stopping through. You did. You did. Then that, I'm finna go say peace out. Peace out, peace out, peace out. Go watch a movie time. Well, I'll be right back. I'm gonna be dropping some videos, so get ready. I'm gonna drop a couple more videos. You know, I gotta blow my channel back up, y'all. I've been slacking on the channel. Okay. So, yeah, I've been slacking. So, y'all, I'm gonna be back in effect on it, y'all. Back in that thing. So I'm gonna go look at home, watch a movie, relax. Woo, I'm gonna be ready for these kiddos, bro. Just go. Woo, Jesus. Yeah, it's that way. The right way. That way. Hey. Boy, I know they're gonna be racing. Bro. When they finish this road, boy, they're gonna be racing. Oh yeah, they're gonna be racing their cars. I already know it. These people are real crazy. Much love to all my subscribers, y'all. We doing it big. We almost at 3K. What? Do you hear me? We almost at 3K. Get it. We blowing it up, y'all. Do you hear me, y'all? Them haters don't like that. Them haters don't like. Yeah.
Daddy, look, they turned these shoes.
Oh, Lord, they sure shoes.
Look, and then she got some pants and a skirt.
She got a football jersey. She got a football jersey on, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What's up with y'all? I'm trying to go back in this house and marinate. When I say it's hot, y'all, it's hot. We're like, hell no. I don't want no more. Let me see. It is hot, y'all. For real. Drop me a couple videos on my other channel. Try to blow that bitch up before they say, hey, you cannot post until the next 24 hours, sir. I'm like, okay. I feel a little better. But yeah, I gotta blow my channel. I gotta hit this bitch. I gotta get this bitch up to 3K, y'all. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Drop them videos and start playing, y'all. Y'all don't wanna hear me when I say drop them videos. You gotta drop that shit. Drop that shit. Everybody don't look at it every time, and if they do, who cares? It's your channel. Keep